We run a domestic electrician course, which is a 3-week course, which is dedicated for people newly entering into the industry. The course is split up into 3 one-week modules of 5 days each. The first module is the key stage, where we introduce people to electrical theory, basic circuits and how to install them. The second week is actually the regulations areas of electrical installation. So the first 2 days is looking at the building regulations, specifically Part P and other building regulations that affect electricians. The final 3 days of that week are the wiring regulations, BS 7671, where we teach people to navigate and understand the rules, and we try to relate them to their workplace. Week 3 is actually our inspection, testing and initial verification course. That's 5 days of inspection and testing of a single phase or domestic installation. We teach you how to use the test equipment. We actually show you how to test the actual individual circuits for every different level that is required. And we also teach you how to do the certification, which is actually important for that circuit to be put into service. And that is what initial verification means. Once completing our 3-week course, it allows you to actually register with a Part P scheme provider and progress into the industry to work as a domestic electrician.